Hi, what's up everyone? In this video we're going to talk about the top best handheld vacuum 2020 you can buy on Amazon. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on quality, features and pricing. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. A decent handheld vacuum offers quick cleaning without a lot of heavy lifting and without hogging valuable storage space for smaller messes. When it comes to deep cleaning, these mini vacs cannot replace a full-size canister vacuum, but they are useful for quickly tackling dry spills, tracked-in dirt, and pet hair stuck to just about anything. You could even consider more than one with handheld vacuums, as they don't just tackle messes inside your home. Stash one in the garage to keep a workshop, garden bench and clean your car. Today's newest cordless models have more powerful batteries to pick up more debris and run longer than the wimpy models of years ago. Other innovations include more comfortable grips, easier to empty dust cups, washable filters, removable batteries, multiple speeds and more. Some even pick up wet messes and remove stains, and whether they come corded or cordless, those with brushes and other attachments make it easy to remove dust from draperies, window sills, door frames, mattresses and other out-of-the-way spots that may be awkward for a larger vacuum to reach. I have prepared this video guide for the best handheld vacuum 2020 to give you the ins and outs to help you make the right choice. So let's get started. 5. Black Plus Decker 20 volts max. There is more suction than any other handheld vacuum tested in the Black Plus Decker 20 volts max lithium pivot BDH 2000 PL, apart from a super expensive Dyson. It quickly collects cereal, dust, sand, and other common messes easily in our tests, and it is strong enough to pick up pet hair without special tools. With the extra cleaning power, the strong suction makes up for the 10 minutes of no fade runtime of the pivot, which is below average. That runtime should be just enough for you to tidy up the inside of a 3-row minivan or SUV. The pivoting nozzle makes it much easier than with a traditional dustbuster to get into crevices, such as between car seats. We particularly like the all-in-one design, without losing any attachments. 4. WX030L 20 volts PowerShare Portable Vacuum Cleaner. The Works model has a special lightweight, boxy shape, a removable battery that fits into other Works tools, and a top handle, not your usual handheld vac. The crevice and brush tools are stored right on it and 4 feet are reached by a built-in flexible hose. A top performer in our cleaning tests, this model easily picked up all the debris and pet hair we put down, even without using the max power setting. The hose makes it easy to reach into tight spaces, and it ran for 23 minutes at standard power on one charge. Although it's a little heavier than other handheld vacuums, you don't need to hold it up to use it. 3. Dustbuster Advanced Clean Plus Pet Hand Vacuum. There is nowhere pet hair can hide with the Black Plus Decker's motorized mini brush attachment. Cleaning up after pets is made even easier by an extra long pull-out crevice tool and the extra large bottom emptying dustbin. No surprise, the Black Plus Decker aced our pet hair pickup test and did well with other messes too, even without using the boost power setting, although some sand scattered on hard flooring. The filter is washable, and we like that the vacuum stands upright on end for charging or storage. Using the standard setting, it ran for 32 minutes on a charge. 2. HomeVac H11 Cordless Handheld Vacuum. Don't let the slender shape of the Wifi fool you. This sleek handheld vacuum is full-featured, about the size of a wine bottle, but lightweight, at just over 1 pound. It includes a crevice/brush tool, a washable filter and a cap that allows it to stand upright for storage or charging. You would never know it was a vacuum when standing on a bookshelf. Small but mighty, the Wifi rivaled bigger models for cleaning ability. A soft grip makes it comfortable to hold. It runs quietly for up to 13 minutes, and lights alert you when the battery needs charging. 1 Power Cordless Handheld Vacuum. A small powerhouse is the Hoover 1 Power, while the onboard crevice tool makes it easy to clean hard-to-reach locations. It nabs dirt and debris easily, and even pet hair was not an issue during our tests. We love the ease of emptying the dust cup and removing the filter for cleaning. A very handy feature, if you already have other 1 Power system cleaning products, is the removable rechargeable battery. It's compatible across devices, so if the battery runs out on your hand vacuum, you can borrow the battery from, say, your 1 Power carpet cleaner. Or you can purchase a spare battery to keep charged and ready for a longer cleaning session. So guys, this was the video about the best handheld vacuum 2020. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.